In this problem, he asked to find the length of the tangent if the radius of the circle is 9 centimeter and it is the radius is apart from 15 centimeter from the radius. So in this problem, it looks like a right angle triangle. So if we consider this as a origin O and this is P and this is Q, we can write a right angle triangle equation by the Pythagoras theorem. It will becomes OP square plus PQ square equals to OQ square. From this we have to find the PQ square. So the formula for PQ square equals to OQ square minus OP square. The value of OP is 15. It becomes 15 square minus 9 square. 15 square is 225 and 9 square is 81. So that PQ equals to under root of 225 minus 81 is 144. So that means PQ equals to 12 centimeter. In this problem, he asked to find the value of x. See here, AD in this triangle A, B, C, there is an intersection in the middle of the triangle, that is a DE. So we can applying a similarity concept, AD by DC equals to BE by EC. I am writing AD by DC equals to BE by EC. Just we have to substitute the values of AD, DC, BE, EC. The value of AD is 8x plus 9, 8x plus 9 by DC. The value of CD or DC, it's x plus 3, which is equals to BE, 3x plus 4, CE, x. So if we simplify this equation by cross multiplying, x into 8x plus 9 equals to 3x plus 4 x plus 3. So x into x square plus 9x is equals to x into x square 3x square and 3 into 3 9x and 4 into x 4x and 4 into 3 12. So if we simplify, it will becomes x and x cancels, and if we solve for this equation, it becomes 8 minus 3 5x square minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. And if we solve this equation by substituting minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, here the value of a is 5 and b is minus 4 and c is minus 12. We will get the two answers. One is 2, another one is minus 1.2. The length never be in form of negative signs, so that's the answer will be 2. In this problem, he asked to find the value of x in this triangle. By the similarity property, we can write that ED is similar to AE and DB is similar to EC. So that AD by DB equals to AE by EC. If we substitute these values, AD is x and DB is x minus 2 and AE is x minus x plus 2 and EC is x minus 1. So if we cross multiply this one, x into x minus 1 equals to x plus 2 into x minus 2. So if we simplify, x square minus x equals to, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, so the value becomes x square minus 2 square. So x square will get cancelled, so minus minus will get cancelled, x becomes 4. In this problem he stated that LM is parallel to BC and LN is parallel to CD. Then we have to prove this one. That means AM by AB equals to AN by AD. This thing we have to prove. So we know that this is parallel to this one and this is parallel to this one. So that means this will parallel to this one and this is parallel to this one. So we can, if we write that one, it will becomes AM by AB equals to, AM is parallel to AL and AB is parallel to AC. This is the first equation, and if we sync for this side also, AN by AD equals to, AN by AD equals to, AN is parallel to AL and AD is parallel to AC. So this is second equation. If we equate these three equations, AM by AB equals to AL by AC. So which is equal to AN by AD. So that means AM by AB equals to AN by AD. So this thing is proved. In this problem he stated that D and E, D is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Then we have to find that BF by FE equals to BE by EC. So first we have to see that these two are parallel. From this concept we can write that AD by BD. We can write that BD by AD, which is equals to, BD is equals to BE and AD is equals to EC. This is first equation, and if we consider this equation, DF and is parallel to AE. If we rewrite that equation in terms of BD by AD, then if we consider this equation, it will becomes BD is similar to BF and AD is similar to FE. So if we equate these two equations, why? Because these two are same, so that becomes BF by FE is equals to BE by EC. So this problem has proved. In this problem he asked to find the theorem, to prove the theorem that the line joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. So he pointed out a midpoint for the one side is D and the another side is E. So this one must be parallel to this one. So in order to do that, we know that AD by DC. Why? Because this is a midpoint. We can write that AD equals to DC and DE equals to EC. BE equals to EC. So that means this value becomes AD by DC equals to 1, and this value BE by CE equals to 1. So if we equate these two equations, AD by DC equals to BE by EC. So this thing we have proved.